Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks from concrete. First, gather your materials. You'll need Portland cement, sand, and gravel. A good quality brick mold is crucial for uniform shapes, and a clean, flat area is essential for both mixing your concrete and properly curing the finished bricks. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more efficient. Next, let's mix the concrete. A common ratio is 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 3 parts gravel for strong bricks. Gradually add water while mixing thoroughly until you achieve a consistent, workable paste. It should be moist enough to hold its shape but not soupy. Too much water will significantly reduce the final strength of your concrete bricks, so be careful. Now it's time to mold your bricks. Firmly press the concrete mixture into your molds, ensuring there are no air pockets. Level the top surface of each brick with a trowel for a smooth, even finish. Proper curing is vital for strength. Keep the bricks in their molds for at least 24 hours, then demold them and keep them moist for at least 5 to 7 days, ideally longer. Once your bricks have hardened sufficiently, carefully demold them. Remember, the curing process isn't over. Concrete gains strength over time, so continue to keep your bricks moist for up to 28 days for maximum durability. After full curing, your homemade concrete bricks will be strong and ready for use in garden borders, pathways, or other construction projects around your home.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.